Let's learn and knowledge. Adverbs. Adverbs are one of the main parts of speech, along with nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Well, picture a woman walking. Now, picture her walking happily after receiving good news. Wait, she is walking angrily after receiving bad news. Or, she is walking awkwardly in shoes that don't quite fit. Why are all of these senses so different when the verb walking is the same? Well, it's all thanks to adverbs, which add a little life to basic sentences. An adverb tells you more about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Many adverbs end in ly. They are not all so easy to spot. There are 5 main kinds of adverbs, each answering a different question. They include adverbs of manner, how something happens, angrily, hungrily, beautifully. Adverbs of time, when does something happen, yesterday, tomorrow, next week. Adverbs of place, where something happens, here, there, nowhere. Adverbs of degree, how much does something happen, almost, so, very. Adverbs of frequency, how often something happens, always, never, often. Examples of adverbs in a sentence. An adverb is often one of the more descriptive words in a sentence. Once you find the adverb in a sentence, you can determine what question it's answering. The dog messily ate his dinner. How did the dog eat his dinner? We go bowling quite often. How often do you go bowling? I hurriedly handed in my test. How did you hand it? Let's eat dinner outside. Where should we eat dinner? My roommate is so annoying. How annoying is he? John finished the project last night. When did he finish it? Adverbs modify verbs. You will typically see adverbs modify the verb in a sentence. The cute squirrel runs quickly. How does it run? My patient mother walks slowly. How does she walk? The quiet girl plays happily with dolls. How does she play? Adverbs intensify adjective. When adverbs act as intensifiers to other adverbs, they create an adverbial phrase. 2 adverbs that describe one word. The cute squirrel runs very quickly. How quickly does she run? My patient mother walks so slowly. How slowly does she walk? The quiet girl plays rather happily in the corner. How happily does she play? When your verb or adjective doesn't seem powerful enough, instead of reaching for an adverb to add more color, try reaching for a stronger verb or adjective instead. Most of the time, you will come up with a better word and your writing will be stronger for it. Hope you have fun learning with us. Thanks for watching.